Got a little bit of a new setup for my off the grid. I found a miniature cookie sheet. I put it down there so I could raise the candles up so it's closer to the pan. We're going to be frying an egg today. I'm going to be preheating my pan. Before I preheat my pan, I'm going to put some butter in it. So I'll put that there and I'll get my butter. Put the lid on it. Now I'm cracking the egg in a cup. And after the pan gets preheated, I'll be putting the egg in to fry it. Now I think the pan's hot enough. It might cook a little bit slower, but never tried an egg in here like this before. So we'll put the lid on, that way it cooks. I'll be back to check on it a little bit later. See, it is cooking. Put the lid back on it. You can hear it frying. It is frying. It does it a little bit slower than normal. So now all I gotta do is wait for the egg yolk to set up. You can see the egg is now done. Now put it on my plate, which is over here. Put it on my plate over here. And I'll bring you around for a better picture. That is what it looked like. I'm venturing into uncharted territories now, because the stuff that I'm doing now for the off the grid, I never did before. So it's an experiment, but it turned out. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.